everyone, I just wanted to show you this 8-inch LED ring light I got at Hobby Lobby. It's 8 inches in diameter. It has a metal tripod and a phone mount at the top. It was $20. You can use one of their 40% off coupons. And I just thought this would be fun. I have a bigger ring light, but I would really like to try the desktop one. So here's the back of the box. Tells you the features. It has 3 color temperatures, 10 brightness levels, and it has like a little remote. So let's open it up and I'll show you how to put it together. So first out is the ring light itself, and we will pull out the rest of the attachments. Here's the directions, the phone holder, and the tripod. The directions look pretty easy. There's only 4 steps and it just shows you how to attach all the accessories. The ring light itself is super light, and here's the back of it. And this is the little remote. It's inline, so it's inside the wire. And it has a little USB plug here, so you'll need to use your own plug. This is the phone holder, and you're just going to insert the little bottom square and slide it into the top. It's adjustable, so you can bend it forwards or backwards. The clamp opens pretty easily, which is nice because I've had another one that's actually really hard to open up, and it feels fairly sturdy for a $20 ring light. So next we're going to put on the tripod. Just open up this little bag, and this will screw on to the bottom of the ring light, and then you screw on the tripod. Here we have a little ball joint thing, so you can adjust which way you want the ring light to point, and we'll just keep ours straight ahead. And here are the tripod legs. This will be really interesting because, again, I've had another tripod and it's kind of hard to get them evenly spread out. This one does feel like it has little hitches to kind of catch, to where it might be easy to adjust the height. So now we'll screw this to the bottom of this piece. So here it is once it is all put together and standing fairly even. I think I got the tripod legs fairly even. You will need your own plug, so find a USB plug to use. Here's the phone mount again. I'm actually using my phone to record this, so it won't be in here right now, but I did have to take off my phone case because it has one of those pop circles on it. So now I'm going to plug it in and show you the brightness. Alright, so you're going to find the little remote that's in line, and this already starts glowing as soon as you plug it in. And I'm going to press the on button and see what it turns on to, and it is the brightest setting possible right off the bat. And there are 3 different color settings, or tone settings. This is the brightness adjuster. It's actually really nice. It does go very low, medium, high. Here are the different tones. There's warm and cool. That'll be the middle button. And it's extremely bright for such a tiny ring light. So here I'll just go through the tones so you can see the different ones, and then I'll test it out on myself so you can see how it works with a person behind it. So this is me. Hello. I'm just going to turn it on and show you the different brightness levels and tones. And yes, that is Ambient in the background. My son was watching it. But so here's another tone. This is the cooler tone. You can see that it's a little bit more blue, and this is obviously the warmer tone, a lot more orange yellow. The brightness is blinding, but when you turn it down lower, it is tolerable. But I love that it helps focus in the camera as well. And here we'll turn it down a little bit more. Yeah, I think this is pretty awesome. So I wanted to see if the phone holder actually adjusted well, or if I put it up, maybe the weight of the phone would bring it down, but no, it actually stayed up pretty well. And yeah, I was very shocked that it actually held the phone in place wherever I moved it to. So if you're looking for an alternative to the $80 full-size ring lights, I think this one would be great to make quick videos, or even to help take photos for whatever your business is. And yeah, I got it at Hobby Lobby for $20, and they also have those awesome 40% off coupons, so I would definitely try using one of those. So I hope this review helps, and have fun.